So hello guys. Yeah, we have seen in last time we got more trouble from users who cannot correctly install TDU2. In this video I will show you how to install the Project Paradise mod and to get the game 100% stable running. This is now the non-Steam guide, and yeah, I have to say sorry for my bad English, but English is not my native language, so sorry. Good. We start. If you're in the Discord and you cannot see other channels, only this, or I don't know currently how many channels you can see without the accepted rules. So it's only basic rules really accepted. The other is for news. When I push updates and restart server or something, we will use the news rules to ping the players to informate it. So press here. We have a really good section for help before you get or should I say most helper how to set up. We try really all, and yeah, but most guys have really issue to get it running, so I create now this video. In the download can you find a game version from the internet archive, slow download. You have unpack or install it from your own, and we share no keys. It's possible to play the game with random keys because we cannot check really the game keys or whatever. So when you have installed the game, your game is not really up to date. You have go here and download the launcher or download it from the website itself. Only press here or here to connect to the Discord. We have small gimmicks like the live map. You can see the current playing players, and it will cut it down, and because the map can currently not show all players and the location is not 100% correctly. But I have not the time to work on all things. I am the only one developer current for web stuff, server stuff or something. You can see the currently casino players currently running races for both islands, Hawaii or Ibiza. And the login area is you have to need create an online profile, and you have to or you must have played say so to log in this. You will see currently playing players. You can see many infos or something. Here as example, I see my uploaded images, what I have uploaded in my house frames or from the photo locations, images. So we can see basic profile stats. It's not all down, it will come more soon, but it needs time. As example, player level, I see how many cars I have bought, settled, and playtime, races won, races lost, ranked races lost, ranked races won, and CSC races and all other stuff. And we show here the currently lobbying state. When you have trouble to see any player while playing, check the lobbies. Will you see here your player name? It's mean you are in the lobby, but you have a bad host. Mostly have it a zero count like here or only one players. So tell us the name so we can block this guys. These guys have set it wrong port forwarding, and yeah, you need not really green. Green is only to host lobbies. You can do all other stuff self with red or green. Um, when you set port forwarding, check with other player. Can you invite other players into race lobbies? This can spawn in the race lobby, so is your port forwarding good? When not, this is bad and you create 100% ghost lobbies. So be fair and remove the rule or check your settings. It makes only trouble for us to check the lobbies and block the players. So now we go to install. In my case, I use the Steam version. Is the same wie on the web archive. Is not from me. Um, the installation is basic. You can use any ISO tool, or I think Windows can make itself. You go to the installation. For best is install it not on C drive. Use other. Um, yeah, it's no the clean install for me. I don't know has the ISO distro folders. The VC Redis install it too. .NET Framework 3.5. I would say install it from Windows 10 because this installer is very old, 2008 or so. For the DirectX is not complete. It's same 2008. For this, go Google, search DirectX Web Installer. Install this. It will fix the DirectX input error message or something. Have you this all down? You can now start the launcher. You can start it from here for any place. The newest launcher need no .NET Core install more because it's the packet version. C1 the file size has now over 160 megabyte, but it contains all. Just copy paste it here, replace it, and go to the properties and set the flag run as admin or run as administrator, and it's all be fine. Good. Now start it, and it will you ask for the test drive 2 exe. When you have the launcher in the same directory, it will set automatically the currently directory. When you run it over the desktop, you will see here your desktop and you have to navigate to the game. Select the TDU2 exe, not auto. And the launcher will ask you other stuff. Is it a packet game? When you have it clean, install it. So have you 100% the packet game. You can see it on the big and the map files. So press yes. Now it's asking to run a game check. Make this. The most games, not the last game version. So and it's another question, and because when you have the game unpacked, so press no. Is it a packet? Press yes. No will open the launcher with updater windows was spawning as in the background. No, we let make the update and more after this. So mostly down. The time what is need is depend on your internet connection. Mina is really slow, normal. Yeah. Okay, let's go. The update is now down. I can close now the windows. So we make it. Now we have the game up to date, but it's still not connecting to the Project Paradise 2 server. We go to settings. It will open another windows. It have many settings. I set this now only to show another issue to one. Good. To start, we set the main stage. Main is the live instance from the server. It was running all time. The test server, it's not all time online, only when I have only when I say I have many stuff to test, so I will spin up. Now we have select the build and press here to set the connection. The new launcher will open another window. The old make this not. So now we have all done. When you have select the wrong path, click here and reassign the exe. Okay. When your game server show offline, most guys say it restart the launcher. It's not correctly. Only click here on the font, which will print game server online. It will rechecking. And yeah, now you're ready to play. Oh, look at this. Now click here and you see it will change again. And I hope I got now all two errors what can happen. One is 100% clear, and this is the first. You have to run TDU2 over Steam. It will come when you use this install image to 100%. Many guys ask day for day here. It's simply just go in the directory, search for Steam as S and delete only the Steam IP. After this you can press play online. I hope I get now the other error, please. Yes. And this is another error. You have run the game over the app launcher. So go to settings and set the start time higher as the old. In my case is 10 and not for many guys helps 20. Set it to 20 and you're fine. Now press click to play. My Windows will now open a bit wired because I play normal in 4K resolution, but set it the display resolution currently to show this guide in Full HD. But you see this game is still running, all fine. Can we log in to the game server? It's working. You will see it when I show now here. So leaderboard is working. Yeah, I know it's now a bit strange, but cannot change and cannot set the windows down or something. Like casino is playable, but currently no host. I show it. It's really online. I hope yeah, you can see it's working. Yes, this here. Another thing is when you have crashes by pressing open the map. go in the Discord in the help selection. We have changed this today, but I think it's now needed to press here and you will see the help channel. Here we have pinned many help for everything. You have here crash fix is not the best, but it's working. Another crash fix is posted here by Wildcat, plus the Tirade, pink Tirade skid mark fix. Another helper is here from Card with setup. Basically, only read this, please, guys. When you have any trouble is not here, so you can ask, but 99% the trouble still pinned here. In the install file queue we have another helper. Only read this. Yeah. To create an account, nickname is your in-game name will print over your car for other players. TDU2 username and password is for later the login stuff into the cPanel. And when you want to mod your game, do it after these steps. Firstly, you need to update the game up to date, and after this can you unpack and mod it, and you will be fine. So I hope it helps, and thanks for watching.